Good morning everyone. How's everybody doing? All right. Let's start off the day. Morning, Marcos and best DJ in town. Hey there, and Oracle Crypto. Apex screwed me over. What happened there? What the heck happened? Last time I know they have reset some accounts with issue on NFP. Dark Cloud. Good. All right. Welcome everyone. What happened there? All right. I got a reset from the NFP day because of those blown accounts. But I haven't traded. Unfunded on Friday on Apex. Let's see. What is going on here? This is a 1 hour fair value gap here. I almost forgot to add this. 1 hour fair value gap. Okay. Rithmic is trash. Yeah, I heard other prop firms were having issues as well. Many promises from Rithmic, by the way, and not just from Apex, but Rithmic was... I mean, they said they're going to add more servers, but who knows? Apex sucks. Yeah. Alright, let's see. Well, the solution is very simple, guys. If you think Apex sucks, just have to stop using Apex, I guess. Let's see. 32 down. Well, there's no other fair value gap on the downside. The only one is up there. Asia low. This is actually Friday AM session low. A small sell side at 25. Hey, your BULENOX is still down. Oh no. King of After Hours, the world above. Morning, Meshapeti. Hey, I'm not able to have full-size contract orders on Apex today. They keep getting declines, saying it will exceed the limit, even though I have no open positions. That's interesting. Morning, Bass. Where is the trader weight copier? The trader weight copier. Let me start it up because I have to jump into the menu to see that. I think I was able to place it. Let me check out if I'm able to place a trade. Hold on. I know I just have to log into my TraderWeight account. Yeah, let me log into TraderWeight. And then I will know. TraderWeight. Oh, look at that. Going down for that sell side at 25. No trades though on this one, since there's no retracement or anything. Okay, so trade copier. Application settings, add-ons, advanced charting, group trade. So there it is. Let me show you. This is a MyFundedFutures. Hold on. So if you're looking for TraderWeight trade copier, you have to go into the upper right side, application settings, and you go to add-ons, and there's group trade. I haven't activated it yet, but you activate it, boom. You will need to log out. Okay, so and then you will see it on the upper menu if you activate it. And basically that's it. Okay. Sometimes I trade gold, Terry. Morning, AS. When is Rithmic gonna work? I hope soon. They said they're working on it on the weekend. My Apex Rithmic not working. Can't place trade. Let me check it on my end. Let me check it on my end if I can place any trade. I think I'm logged in with Apex as well. Okay, so let me go to here. Let me choose an account. Okay, so this is an Apex account. Let me on micro, let me put a limit order first. I can place a trade. Limit order is placed. Okay, I can delete it. And just for you guys, let me take a buy position just to check out if it's working. A buy market order. All right, it's working. On my end, Apex is working, and this is Rithmic connection, so I can close it. So far it's working. So I don't know what could be the issue. Hopefully yes. I have an account which is at 1,600 something profit, so I'm getting there. I'm building up slowly. Hopefully we'll get the payout. I got lost that right on the tick before the drop. Very annoying. Yeah. I don't know what to tell you. Is trade away better? I like using. So far, I had no huge issue with connecting through Rithmic. I like trade away too, but I wish trade away would have a function to copy trade between multiple prop firms. Otherwise, I think trade away is pretty much user friendly. So with TradingView, I don't like it, but otherwise it's user friendly. What for dinner? Well, dinner is still a long way ahead. Still quite a few hours. So you get stop loss, yeah, trader. Gary will bow out gracefully. Might depend where they are. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, so far my Apex connection is working, but maybe it's because I'm an affiliate. I don't know. Not sure. Maybe because I'm streaming. I'm trying to be sarcastic, of course. I don't know what is happening with Rithmic anymore. I don't know anything anymore about this issue. And just so you guys would be happier, TOPSTEP is stopping their affiliate program, so I'm not going to be shilling TOPSTEP, for example, in the future. Although I'm going to continue to trade with them, but I'm not going to be an affiliate. Nobody's going to be an affiliate. They're stopping their affiliate program. All right. Let's see what is going on. Cosmo, hey there. So we had a drop. I still like that 1 hour fair value gap. How far is that? It's like a healthy 30 points to the upside. Oh yeah, Cosmo. I saw your. Hold on. This morning, I haven't even checked. I received a few messages. Did you write to me as well? I received a few DMs over the weekend, but I was pretty much, I don't even know. Notice board. Trade weight update. Okay, if you're referring to Apex. issues were fixed. Currently, Rithmic issue is only impacting a small number of users. They are not able to place trades on certain instruments. There is no negative impact on PNL. We are actively working with Rithmic to resolve the issue as soon as possible. Please remember, the Apex server is a Rithmic server where they place Apex accounts. We have no access or control over this server. We have put a lot of pressure on them to fix issues, and they are responding with a lot of upgrades this past weekend, and we are looking forward to seeing if all issues are resolved. Yeah, so that's what they said. That's the official statement from Apex. Yeah, Friday was, by the way, not that bad. Not that bad. Yeah. Friday was actually, I mean, a lot of people made some good profits on the NFP, I guess. I guess so. Anyway. We're looking for some sort of trade, of course, but where is Sunday? This is Sunday. We have a sell side liquidity right here. I'm gonna put a line right there. Potential sell side liquidity at 15. If this would go back, for example, to there, I would say we could be having a good target. Oh yeah, it's too much. There's an order block here. It's risky. If you guys want to enter, I might enter just for fun. 1933. How about that? Almost went up there with 5 micros. Okay, I have a sell limit placed at OTE. Pro trade. Absolutely pro trade, but yeah. Watch quick video on Discord DM. Quick video on Discord DM. I don't see any quick video on Discord DM. Online safety. Hey, good morning. How did Apex screw you over? Yeah, I don't know what happened. Maybe it's because it's unable to place a trade. I don't know. Let me check. Yeah, so I see the video. I see the video, Cosmo. Yeah. I actually checked it. Yeah. I see that. I see you there. I see you there. Awesome. Awesome entries. I actually checked this that you sent it to me, and I actually checked this out, and hold on. And I did like it. Let me open up my chart. I don't know what happened with this. Oh, come on. I have to. I still have this limit order. Still have this limit order. Okay. Better. It's better. Why is this the 32nd? I have to align everything to the proper. Okay. It's better now. So this is my limit order for now. Let me put this on the 1 minute chart. So let's see. It's not taking it, unfortunately. It's not taking the trade. It's not taking it. I don't know why. I don't know why. Anyway, I'm also looking to do something different. I want to try out. I mean, I think I'm gonna open a maybe a forex prop firm account with MyFundedFX, with the one-step model, one-step max. I think that's the model, and I'll try to trade CFD over there to see how that goes. But I'm just still thinking about it. No, hello there. Hello. Oh yeah, I checked that the yeah. Yo, yeah. Oh, okay. Apex is working hard on the issue. Oh yeah, Apex is working hard on the issue. I see that. I actually have to show this to you guys. So apparently Apex is working very, very hard to solve the issue from Cosmo himself. This is Apex right now working on the issue. That's awesome. Oh my god, that's too funny. Look at this. Oh, I missed my entry. Only with like 3 ticks. It's gonna go down. Should be taking out sell side at 15. 10 points away. Didn't take my optimal entry there. But okay. Okay. Okay, all right. What else do we have? Nothing else, because there's no other targets. I would love to see this go down, but I don't know. Should be taking out that level. Sunday low, actually. Bum, 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 bum. Yes, good morning. Kim, I don't understand your daily midnight open. My daily midnight open? It's nothing special. It's Eastern Standard Time, New York time, basically. And that's it. This is, I'm sorry, wrong place. This is exactly, daily midnight open was, the opening of the candle at midnight was at 42.75. So I used the New York time for this one. So I use New York midnight. Maybe you have a different time zone set up, you know, that could be a thing. I always use New York time. Bum, 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 bum. Daily midnight open, Eastern Standard Time. Bum, 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 bum. Doesn't matter the time zone if market is closed then opened. Yeah, but you know, I know. Okay. Then let me rephrase it because you're right. Daily midnight. Open. But not really open because the market is open already. Okay. Daily midnight open, but not really open because the market is open already. Okay. But that's true. Tom, did you see our election in Germany? I didn't see the election in Germany, but yeah. Is an issue with Rithmic? I can't connect. I didn't have an issue. I made a test trade on Apex and it worked out earlier in the stream, so no issue yet. I mean, not on my end, but Apex has put out a message right here that currently Rithmic issue is only impacting a small number of users. They are not able to place trades on certain instruments. There is no negative impact on PNL. Blah blah blah. Rithmic to resolve this issue as soon as possible. Please remember the Apex server is Rithmic server. Blah. So Apex account, no access control. We have to put it blah 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 blah. Stay awesome. So they're working on it. That's all we know for now. The market opened this week just where we are now. I'm not. Yeah, that's the market open. That's true, Kim. I know, Kim. Okay, then let me. I know you're not doing. I know absolutely. I know what you're saying. So, daily level, daily midnight level. Okay. And that makes it clear. Daily midnight level, EST, and that is not going to. Actually, I'm going to save it as a template. Save as daily midnight open. There. So I overwritten it. I overwrite my template, and now it's gonna say daily midnight level. And yeah, and you're right, absolutely. You are using micros. The issue seems to be with minis. With minis, okay. Let me check it. That's true. Let me go ahead and check it with minis. That is actually true. I'm gonna delete this. NQ. This is mini. All right, let me put a limit order first. The limit orders seem to be working. Okay. The limit order seemed to be working. I'm gonna place a market order just for you guys. The market order is not working. That's it. The limit order was working. The market order is not working. So that's true. Micro is okay. Mini is not working. So you're correct. Absolutely. Limit order is fine, but market order is not placing trades. Yeah. Damn it. Yeah. Oh man. I don't know. Why is there always an issue with Rithmic? Always an issue with Rithmic. Leonard Ramos, hey there. If you're using Quantower, you need to update it. Yeah, I updated to the latest version. I did that. Basically, it's when they starts and usually if you're bullish, you want to buy when price is under. Yeah, exactly. That was the problem on your end. Okay. No, Kim, it's all right. I'm the one who should be apologizing because this could be confusing because the market was definitely not closed. It was open. So it's absolutely more correct like this. Daily midnight level. Absolutely. That is true. And actually, it was a good observation. Quantower site published a message saying that anyone that is using Rithmic should update the latest. I did that. I already updated it, but let me check it. There's no more update on my end. No, it's up to date. My Quantower is the latest version. Anyway. And it's going down. Didn't take my entry right there. But we managed to take out this Sunday low here, which is a good thing. Hey Bernard, I'm doing okay. Good to see you on the stream. Yeah, daily looking interesting. Let me check. Oh yeah, the daily is interesting. We could be seeing some more lows down to 937. You know, just to reprice a little bit more of this gap. Actually, let me... Low of this candle, 940. 940. Let's check out the 940 level. I'm curious. 940. Oh, it's way down there. It's the previous day low. Could we go down there? I guess we could. I guess price can definitely go down there. Also, because if you look at the 5-minute, this has actually shifted structure here. So, you know, I know it's a bit of a long shot, but what if this shift as a continuation is like, for example, this is the 5-minute chart again. What if we put a level here, right there, as a fair value gap? Oh, not this one. As a fair value gap right there. And we might go for that 940 level. It's right around the optimal trade entry. That would be interesting, right? What if this is a market maker sell model? So we're going down. I placed a short market order, copy trading 10 evals. Then for 4 accounts, it placed the order. It is working. For the remaining accounts, order got rejected. It definitely should be a Rithmic issue then. What if we do it during London? I don't know. Yeah. No top wick on the 4-hour. Oh yeah, that's on the 4-hour. If we have no top wick, look at that. Having no top wick is always, I mean, this always raises questions when we have a candle like this with no wick. That could cause some concerns. Yeah. Tap the VWAP one more, and then maybe. Nikos, it will retrace to make a top wick and then fly down. Yeah, Spy Girl, hey there. What's up? Everything's cool. Hope you had a great weekend. I hope everybody had a great weekend. So, let's see. Should I place a limit order here? 4 micros limit order. I can do that, right? I don't know. 4 micros limit order. What would be the level? Oh no. The siren went off. Somebody's there. Anyway. 2250. 2250. I might put a limit order there. I might put it there. 2250. With 4 micros. 2250. I'm gonna put a sell limit right there. My stop is gonna be here. But if it would start to go lower, you know, I can, I mean, the reason is that I'd like to anticipate that we can be taking out the lows back to this 15-minute slash 1 hour gap down there. Could be a good target. All right, anyway. There's my limit order. And we'll see. Apex issue. My RMB and Rithmic account is fine. Okay, well, I don't know. Apex is saying that the issue is with Rithmic because Rithmic is providing them the servers. So when you don't have any top wick, that's actually like a magnet for price to revisit those levels and you know, reprice those highs. When there is the flat top with no wick, that's actually pretty much a magnetic level. I think I'm tagged into this trade. Yes, I'm short on this one. So what I can do is I'm going to put my stop loss there. And my TP is going to be at 1902. That's it. Already long at 15. Nice. Well, it could go up there. As I said, no wick. It was nice. What about you? Well, did you do anything? Well, what I did, I actually found some cats in the garage. You know, 4 little kittens, and I don't know what to do with them. Might have to call the vet or something. I don't know, or some shelter. That's what happened. For now, currently I'm looking to test the 19,000 level. That's what I'm looking at. Maybe further down as a continuation. And yeah, so far that's what I'm looking at. How much you pay for a micro on Iron Beam? Yeah, that's a good question. Good morning, Mary. I usually risk on a funded account. I usually risk $100 on a trade, or 150. Although this is just an evaluation account currently, but I do the same. Like here, the risk is like 80 something bucks because this is Monday and London session. Still not in London session, so it's not a A+ setup right now. So since this is not an A+ setup, I'm risking like 86 or 90 bucks on this trade, which is perfectly fine for me. So if I lose it, I'm not gonna go crazy or anything like that. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you a picture. I found these kitties in the garage, and they have their mother, and she is protecting them very much. So you guys don't see it, but here are the kitties, and this is their mother. This is in my garage. This is their mother. This is a kitten, and you guys don't see it, but There's another one in there. There's one more, and another somewhere is hiding behind there. So I don't know what to do with these kitties right now. I'm perfectly confused. I'm perfectly confused. There's one hiding. I don't know what to do with these cats. Man. They chose you. Eat them. Yeah. I'm not gonna eat them, but what the hell should I do with them? I don't know. I gave them some food. Yeah, I will call some friends who are pretty much in this thing. So, but we still have to catch them because, you know, they're pretty wild. They don't let you near them. So when you go near, they just go back in hiding. So I don't know. We have to catch them somehow. I'm feeding them. I already gave them food over the weekend. And I gave them water, food, everything. Name one kitty Spy Girl. We can do that. We can do that. $50 for ES micro. Yeah. In the Apex contract, it says that we can risk up to 3% per trade. But is it 3% of the account or the total drawdown? I think it could be the drawdown per trade. Not sure though, but it could be the drawdown per trade. Batista, hey. Hello everybody. Do you take DEX trade? Not this morning yet. No. But I haven't even set it up yet, to be honest. Especially because of the Rithmic issues that came over the weekend with Apex. So I was thinking to subscribe to the EuroX data. But I haven't done it yet. Well, so far, this trade is going against me a little bit. By the way, the Apex and the BULENOX sale is going to end tomorrow. Just saying, if you want to stack up some of these accounts, then today and tomorrow is the day. So far there is no information about extending or anything, but that's all we know. That's the margin level they require. But how about the commission and fees? I think the trade to go higher, be careful. Oh yeah, it can be. It can definitely. So we have a gap still. We have an order block, a bearish order block up there. So let me put this a little bit more transparent. So this one can go higher into this gap again. So you have to be careful for sure. Sell side has been taken, so extra careful. And that is why I said this is definitely not an A+ setup. This could have been an almost perfect A+ setup. But currently, this trade is just almost like chasing price. I would like this one to go down to 940. Come on, 940. Let's go. I don't need 940, actually. I would be perfectly fine if this would just go down and retest the 19,000. You know? That would be fine for me. But yes, you're right. Yeah, they could be going for VWAP. Exactly. It's no big deal. Going for VWAP and then flash. If that happens, we could still have an opportunity to go short. Because if we go short with a huge flash, again, from the VWAP, I would still might be looking into a nice short trade, targeting the lows at 940. So, I'm actually... I don't mind. That's why I'm risking less on this one. This is not an A+ setup. I know it's actually, Kim, this is a good observation. That's a good observation. I'm not arguing with that. Gap now on 1 minute. Yeah, that's the problem. All these gaps are slowing down the movement to the target. So, something I don't like. Dump it for Sabo. Yeah. Is Apex main chat disabled or anyone? Let me check. They used to disable it many times in the past few days. Now it's disabled for everyone. Only authorized and only authorized people can chat. So yes, it's disabled right now because there's an issue with Rithmic again. They're changing direction. So TOPSTEP is it's not completely into the details, but Michael Patek said that they are stopping with the affiliate program with with TOPSTEP. And I think it's because, well, I can imagine two reasons for TOPSTEP. First, one is that they're big enough that they don't need affiliates. There's one thing. They're big enough that they don't need affiliates. The second thing, they have a YouTube channel, TOPSTEP TV, as you all know, and they can shield their own platform and discount codes as much as they want. And I'm guessing maybe some online influencers or YouTubers, who else, I don't know, maybe they were shining a bad light on them in some maybe negative trading behavior, I don't know. But yeah, exactly. By the way, online safety, TOPSTEP TV is driving sales, I think. Everybody's watching them, so I don't think that they're going to need affiliates anymore. So I think for this month it's still going on for me as an affiliate too. So if you still want to support, you can use my link and you can get some discounts for new registrations. Otherwise, that's the main reason, I think. Only 2 of their hosts know how to trade. Yeah, I don't want to go into details. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know how to trade as well. I'm just guessing here. No, actually, I told this many times, guys. I'm not a constantly profitable trader, but we're working on it, and I'm willing to, you know, put everything into this channel what I can, but you know. Yeah, so that's the thing. Like, they have TOPSTEP TV. It's informative. They're promoting their own stuff. They have viewership, so they don't need. For example, there are influencers out there. I'm not gonna say name, who has thousands of thousands, tens of thousands of followers on YouTube, and when this person streams live trading, there's only like 100 people watching. I mean, only, quote unquote. So 100 people watching someone who has tens of thousands of followers, and I'm guessing they can do the same with TOPSTEP TV because there's thousands of people watching them. So I think why would they just, you know, give commission away when they can pull up much more sales on their own platform, right? So that's the main reason. Did you take that trade for a breaker block or the 5-minute fair value gap? 5-minute breaker block. I took this one. So on the 5-minute, it broke lower. It actually shifted structure here as well, and I took this trade, if that's what you're asking. Yeah, London Open in 7 minutes. It's going back up there. By the way, guys, if you can help out the stream, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. We got over 2200 subscribers, and that would be awesome to reach more. So push the like, it's free to do, supports the channel with a great deal. Thank you so much. Also, if you would like to support, otherwise, if you would like to trade with futures, please use one of these codes and links. That's also helping out with a great deal. Thank you guys. That was the commercial. Thank you, Mary. I like to stream on the first win. Okay, just okay. Okay. That's that like a. All right, thank you, Mary. We are all here to support each other. Yes, yes, that's true. So many ambulances are driving next to my place. I don't know. I hope it's not. Hope there's no accident on the roads or anything. I hear the third ambulance driving by. Sirens all morning. Okay, so still in this trade. London Open is just a few minutes away. Let's see what happens. London Open is just a few minutes away. Oh, Jesus. Spy Girl, the weather is a little bit cloudy. We were expecting some heavy rain by now, but so far it's all right, but it's cloudy. It's definitely cloudy. So I'm gonna put this to the 5 minute. Because basically this trade has been taken on the 5 minute. All right. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if it tests out the 19K. By doing that, TOPSTEP will go down. They will lose thousands of new subscribers or even current ones if they don't keep reminding people there's another option. I don't know. If they manage their channel right, then. So anyway, it's their decision. If they want to get rid of affiliates, it's a business decision, I guess. I guess they have the numbers, they have the data of how much money affiliates put in. Oh, hey, look at that. Yes. Great start of the week. So this was a nice 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and these are the trades that we like, actually. Oh, you guys don't see the account currently. Let me show you this one. I always have to edit manually, but this was the account. Good trade to start off. Look at that, right to the point. Oh my god, it was close. It was a nice trade. So London is about to open. Actually, it's opened up. So London opened. Thank you, Bernard. Thank you, Mary. Okay, after TOPSTEP and affiliate marketing, Michael, BULENOX will start to attack Apex affiliate marketing scheme. Could be. The space is changing, you know, guys. The trading space, prop firms, everything is changing, so. That's why I let people tell you how to trade. Everyone was telling you it was gonna go up. Yeah, it's not a problem actually, because, you know. But all I can tell you is, for example, if I'm streaming and I think other streamers can stay the same. I mean, they can say the same most likely. Depending on how much you take it emotionally. Like I'm a little bit more emotional than the average, and so if I stream live and I take the trade, and it's not your fault, guys or gals and gals, it's not your fault. It's an absolutely normal habit. Like you want to say like, no, it's going to go up. You should put your stop loss here. You should put it there. You should take profit here. You should close the trade. You should open another one. You should do this. You should do that. You should put your line there. This is what you should do. And you know, I'm just telling you that puts a little bit of extra pressure, not just on me, but I think many traders who are on YouTube. That's extra pressure, because I have a trading plan and I want to follow my plan. And if I lose, I'm gonna lose like, okay, I played my plan and it went against me. But it's definitely a little bit more challenging to focus on the trade when people are saying you should do this, you should do that, it will go there, it will go there, it will not go there, it will do this, it will do. And I know that you guys are saying with like only to be informational, and you guys want to help out maybe, which is great. So it's anyway, I forgot what I meant to say, but you understand. It sometimes gets emotional, that's what I want to say. Sometimes it's hard. But this is what I do. I always listen to everybody who says contradicting signal or opinion. So I always listen to that. On my end, I just have to decide if I'm going to take it serious, to consider his or her opinion, to modify my trade or modify my trading plan or not. One thing I've learned is if I stick to my trading plan, I achieve better results. Yes, I'm going to have losers. Of course, I'm going to have losses. But if I stick to my plan, the winners are going to outrage the losses. Past 4 evals with this short. Nice! It was supposed to be 10 apex. Rithmic rejected the other trades. Wow. Just say, Tom. You're right, and everyone. Oh, I wish I could do that. I wish I could do that. I love when Patrick Wieland is putting up the show like, I told you, or something like that, or you know, when he figures out everyone, and he mocks everyone. Where are the people who said it's gonna go up? Where are you? Who said it's gonna go up? You know? But Patrick. But why? Least favorite for sure. Hey, big trades. Yeah. Anyway, we tapped below 19k, and so far the 1 minute actually looks like a possible long position. I'm not going to take it. getting back to the VWAP on this push. I am not gonna go long just yet. Swept liquidity, that's true. Equal lows here with Friday morning low, which is okay. Relative equal lows, but I'm not gonna go long just yet. I'm not. Yeah, this one is actually looking good. For example, if you guys are using the 1 minute, this here is a potential long entry from right here to the top. Look at this. It's actually looking very good, very good to go long here. Optimal trade entry if you go with here. Beautiful risk to reward trade up to the 1 hour fair value gap if you guys want to take it. I'm not gonna take it. It's a trap. It could be. It's a trap. I want the market to relax and get some better zones. Indeed, Nico's saying so. Just saying, this one is almost like a picture perfect long entry. And because I had a beautiful trade, I don't want to give back to the market right now. But this right here, guys, if you are trading the 1 minute, I'm not trading this. You can take it if you agree with the trading plan. This is not financial advice. I'm just an idiot fooling around. Obviously, I don't know anything about what I'm saying, but this is what I think could be a good thing here. Look at that. It's a nice shift here. Breaking structure, repricing fast enough. Still didn't go down there, so. By the way, if you haven't already, check out the giveaway. It's going to be tomorrow. You can still enter today to the giveaway. It's in the pin message. Fill out the form and the email. We're going to pick the winner tomorrow. If you're not here, no problem. I'm going to send an email to the winner, and the name is going to be shout out on Twitter, X, sorry. So the giveaway form is up there in the pinned message, everyone. Every giveaway every week. This one is going on since last week, so the winner pick is going to be tomorrow. Most likely sometime during the London session, maybe, or I don't know. Let me check. Or maybe it's going to be on Wednesday. I think it's ending. Let me check the form. I think it's going to end on. Let me see how much time does it need. The giveaway ends today. Yeah. Okay. So the giveaway ends today. We're gonna pick the winner tomorrow. Okay. Can we get a past eval account instead? Yeah, I'll see what I can do. I'm gonna make some calls. All right. Not promising anything. So. So we'll see. You're short. I wish you luck. Good luck, online safety. I'm about to go short, targeting new low. I think we sweep the low one more time, then go up. Could be happening. BD after midnight. Let's see. So again, the Apex discount is available today and tomorrow. So if you want to stack up a few accounts, you can still do so. The 250k account is still up for grabs for 16 bucks. So it's up to you. Up to you. TOPSTEP gives you an additional 20% still if you register for a new account. If you would like to support my channel, if you purchase any TOPSTEP accounts, you can click on my link before you purchase, and that gives a little bit of credit to the account. Thank you so much. Lean, hey there. How you doing? We have also codes for Take Profit Trader, 50% off, no activation fees, down in the description of the stream. And Trade Day and Blue Sky. Check them out. Okay, so far I didn't take this trade, so if anyone is joining right now, I'm just saying I'm not in this trade. We were just talking about this as a potential long position, but it can definitely go lower, make some new lows, take out the 92s before it decides to go higher. It used to do that, so I would not be surprised if this one makes a new low below the 90s. And who knows what's going to happen after that. We have a daily fair value gap at 940. So if I look at the 5-minute, yeah, definitely interesting. I'm just saying that we have also 1 hour fair value gap up there at 67. Let's see. This one, yeah, so the high is at 67. The rapidity, yeah, could be going up there. I'm not in the trade. I'm just saying that there was a possible long entry on the 1 minute. I think it's high risk because definitely we are bearish this morning. We could be making new lows, and we have a daily gap also at 940. If we break below the 19,000 level, then I think there's no stopping. How much you risk per trade and how many contracts you use. Bassett, I mostly try to trade with micros, and on an evaluation account, I try to go a little bit more crazy, more aggressive. Which means I can take, like, for example, on a 50k account, I can go with $200 or $300 per trade, which is about on average 0.5% per risk, maybe 0.6%. So I can go with that. So $300 per trade, yeah. I'm trying to aim for 1.5 or 2 or risk reward 1 to 2. So 1.5 or 2 reward. On the funded account, so I usually take around $100 on average per risk on a 50k account. 100, 150 sometimes. I rarely go above $250 on a funded account. That's like when if I take a trade with like $200, which I very rarely do on a 50k funded account, it has to be like an A+++ setup, like the perfect setup, perfect A++ setup. If I do that, but on average, I try to stick with $100 on a funded account. I'm a total trader, guys. I'm not YOLOing on the funded accounts. I did YOLO on the evaluation accounts. I did blow up funded accounts in the past few months because I was revenge trading and I got emotional. So I admit that. But my aim is to go with $100 bucks. And look at that. It seems like it wants to break through the 19K level. So let's wait. I'm not in this trade. Actually, I'm going to delete this marker. But if I would have to guess, I think it will break lower to 92. It seems like it wants to take out that 92 level. But what was the low of this anyway? The low of this candle was 92.50, right? Yeah. If it does, then it should be making a new low. What do you think if he break 19? Well, if it breaks it, we have a daily fair value gap at 940. And, you know, after that, first it has to go through 92 if it wants to break 92. That's a big if. Because we have the 19K as a support. It's pretty strong right now. If it goes through, then daily fair value gap at 940, whole number is at 950. 15-minute gap, nothing there. I would say then the way is clear until 950. I would go with 955 as the safer target if they want to, if the market wants to make new low. Trying to apex with Quantower, really disconnects automatically. I would like to have GG, but there's an apex message regarding to this issue that they are working on a situation with Rithmic right now. Unfortunately, I can't tell you otherwise. So far, I'm connected with Quantower. Oh yeah. Maybe what you can do. Sorry. Update Quantower. Yeah, totally forgot. Update to the latest Quantower because that's what it's needed to be done for the connection issue. So update Quantower and download, if you have Windows, download Microsoft.NET framework, the newest one. The Quantower is going to point you to that. So update Quant Hour. Definitely update Quant Hour. GG. Think it will bounce back. It could be bouncing back, of course. It's this trade is still valid, technically. So this is still a valid trade. I mean, if you took it on the 1 minute, I didn't take it, but the original stop loss would be below 92. So if anybody's long on this trade, it is still valid. It can pop higher. This is a decision point for both directions. What do you like, buy or sell? It's like I would tell you if buy or sell. I don't know, man. It's a tough question. It went lower to this level. I think the sells are in favor right now. They want to push it, but again, I saw many cases that price dropped lower, almost like 1 point to take out the low and then reverse. So it's just a feeling. Can you look for market liquidity at 945? Market liquidity at 945. Well, you know, there's a low at 940. So at Bookmap, I can check on Bookmap just to see what's going on. There's not much down there at this point. Not much to see. Not even showing anything. Only a few contracts. So there is like, well, there's actually like 70 contracts about the 50s. You're long at 0175. Could be good. I'm going to up, just waiting for my liquidity. Long at 020. Okay. You're long at 020. Okay, so if anybody's long here, it is still valid. We don't know if it wants to make a new low or not. At this point, this is a decision point for the market, definitely. So we have to wait. Wait and see. The only thing is, like, I don't know. We have this long wick candle on the 1 minute. It's kind of like attracting the shorts to take it out. And one more thing on the 5 minute. We have a low from Friday, 9:30. 9:30, the low is 92.25, so it's just one tick lower than this. So relative equal lows, that's the only extra that it has. Otherwise, the longs are still in favor. I mean, sorry, this long position, if anybody is long from here, is still valid. It's still valid. So we don't know. I'm not in a position. I'm flat, so just waiting. Thinking to add at the bottom. Well, you know, could be an idea. 92.50, not 25. Oh, maybe on the mini. Sorry, let me check it. Low of the candle. Oh, come on. Which was that? I'm totally messed up. Yeah. This is the mini. I'm just watching the lows here. The mini and the micro is different. 93, 92.50. Yeah, it's true. Does the weekend count when Apex send money? I think it's calendar days, right? Got approved on Thursday, and Saturday I got an email that the money was sent my bank. The weekend is not counts as a bank or as a wire transfer, I guess. It works. All right. Awesome, GG. Awesome. Different liquidity. Do your analysis always on mini if you trade micro. Micro chart will always follow mini. Yeah. Some people say Apex stopped sending the last email, but no, Apex Apex paid out my friend last week too, so. You're in Canada, so I should select Chicago. Yes, select Chicago server. Yes. Only calendar days. Yes. So anyway, we're waiting. We're waiting if this one wants to go lower or starts to pop higher. It's the decision point. The decision point. Feels like somebody pulled the plug on Nasdaq again. So as the micro chart follows the mini chart, I mean 99%, of course. I mean they're absolutely identical, although there could be a few ticks difference here and there, especially on big price moves, but they are 99.9% identical. So only like the difference is so small, like you won't even notice it that much. They're said they're working on making payouts on short time frames. Yeah, I was reading about that too, so that's a good thing. How many categories are there? There's option 1 and option 2 accounts. So the thing you have to know about option 1 account is that it basically the copycat of Apex accounts. It has an intraday trailing stop, but it has no daily loss limit, so you can use your whole margin for the day, right? So that's the option 1 account. And the option 2 account is an end of day trailing account, but it has a daily loss limit. For example, the 50K account has an $1,100 daily loss, which is a soft breach. So if you breach that level, it's gonna be like a soft breach. You can continue to trade the next day. So it's almost like a TOPSTEP account with a little bit bigger room to trade, of course. But that's the main difference, option 1 and option 2. End of day trailing or intraday trailing. Again, $4 accounts. Let me check it. Let me check the $4 accounts. No information about that. I just checked it. Have they approved you yet? Or still pending? Yeah. Thursday. Okay. ERP, hey, do you have a personal account for futures? No, not yet. I was willing to. I'm still. I mean, I had one with M Futures. I just withdraw it, and I left a few $100 there, and I lost it, unfortunately, with them futures last year. So I'm thinking to maybe deposit a little bit of money into a personal futures account, but I don't know how much. Maybe $1,000 or $2,000, so I can trade micros. I guess that could be a thing. I'm trading with BULENOX. I'm trading with Apex. I'm using. I'm funded with BULENOX. I'm funded with Apex. I'm funded with TOPSTEP. I was funded with MyFundedFutures, but I blew up the account. So right now I'm trying to regain my funded account. So yes, I'm trading with these on my BULENOX account. Oh, I have to flip them, I think. On my BULENOX account, one I have $1,047. The other one I have 968. On my TOPSTEP account, I have $1,100. And on my Apex, I have 1,200. Anyway. They only have Rithmic for now. No trade await at BULENOX. But guess what? There were no issue in the past 2 weeks with Rithmic on BULENOX. There were absolutely zero issue. Both the evaluation accounts and the funded accounts were working absolutely perfect. So absolutely no issue or whatsoever. So okay, look at that. The 19,000 seems like it's giving some support to the price. Could be interesting. Might be going up to 27 from here on. No. Could be going back to the VWAP, maybe. You got approved, okay. You always DC last time on most of my trades, and nice. That's good news, Cosmo. That's good to know. That's good to know. So Apex does approve DCA traders, like Cosmo. 5-minute fair value about to slam it. Let's see. Oh yeah, the 5-minute could be inversing it to the downside. Good observation there. The 1 minute had a shift, but it might not be the case in this one. So let's wait and see what they want to do here. They can try to go down once more or sweep some more liquidity on the top. I have no entry, so they say only one time per trade. Oh yeah, you're allowed one time. Yeah. We hit the 9 and then we can form the reversal up. Anything is possible. Well, you know, if DCAing is not your sole strategy, I think you're going to be fine. If they see that you're consistent with your strategy, there should be no issue. Mainly, that's the short version. If you're consistent, there's no problem. So somebody pulled the plug on Nasdaq again. And we're just waiting for a miracle to see the market push somewhere. On the 15-minute, there was a doji candle as well as kind of a mother bar or something. All right, so this one can go down again. Look at that. Just have to wait and see. So the 92.50 level could be still targeted. The issue is, like, I would like to enter any kind of good trade, but it's just not happening right now. It's unclear if they want to take out this level at 92, or it's just accumulating positions on this level, and I can't even make any decision in this area without seeing a proper move in price. Boom. JO 985 incoming. I told y'all. 85. What's at 85? Let's go. Let's go. No light proof of that is on the oh, let's see. Oh yeah. Let's see. We're going for my level at 85. Market. I'm gonna mark it at 985. 985. J-Ho. There you go. Let's see if it happens. I mean, it can. Who knows? If it breaks through the 19K, then no stopping. Bleed. Bleed. Let's see. Push the like button, guys, if you haven't already. Please subscribe also to the channel. Let's reach more subs. And thank you for supporting. Pushing the like button is free. Thank you so much. Helps out with a great deal. There's actually a lot of contracts at 92, just saying. So, quite a few contracts there. NQ made lower low, ES didn't. Uh-oh. So this is ES. Alright, we'll see. We'll see. As Snoke said in Star Wars, we shall see. Young Skywalker, we shall see. It means that NQ can, ES can start to go higher, and it will pull NQ up, I think. But look at this. We're stuck here again. Bum 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 ba-dum. Somebody pull the plug again. Get ready for the leg down. All right, we're ready. I'm just observing this because the 5-minute also congested into this area, and there is nothing to do here right now. I wish there was, but there's nothing. Nothing to do. Definitely some relative equal lows below 92.50. So let's wait. External internal negative taken and SMT. Yeah. So that gives some thoughts. 3 years plan. Good morning. My 2 blown accounts that were reset aren't working. It's because they're still having issues with the connection. It's on their Discord as well. They're working on it as of now. So and also make sure to update your Quant Tower if you're using Quant Tower. But that's all we know for now. No, I mean, it's fine, it's fine. Yeah, so I checked the announcement tab as well, or announcement room, and also they disabled the chat because they're working on the connection. I have a great meme from Cosmo this morning about a small video from the offices of Apex. And it's actually a valid video, and it has been confirmed that this video has been taken at the back office at Apex Trader Funding, and they are working on the issue. Let me show you this small video. It's like just a few seconds long, but oh no, it's not that. This is it. So this is Apex working on the issue right now, or maybe it's from Rithmic. This video is from the Rithmic servers. I don't know. It's a leaked video from Rithmic or Apex. We don't know exactly, but they are working on it right now. 1 minute bullish SMT divergence. 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute. I usually don't really trust the 1 minute on, especially not on SMT or order blocks. Not too much reliable, that's for sure. Can you draw a fib from that bottom wick? Let's see where take you. Yeah. From this wick, oh, sorry, opposite way. I'm going to show you. Come on. I can't draw a proper. So I'd say standard deviation of 2 would put you almost up there into the 1 hour gap. And the 50% level is around 19,010. SMT by itself sucks. Yeah, all I can tell you is that I tried SMT so many times, even on the 5 minute. It's maybe I'm doing it wrong. So, but SMT is just not turning out good for me most of the time. So I stopped caring about SMT. I don't care about SMT anymore. It's not part of any of my entry models, or I don't really take a look at it, but you know. Okay, so right now it seems like this level is holding. No displacement yet though, but another 1 minute, well, almost a structure shift to the upside, but I don't know what to make of it. Is it gonna go up or down? Who knows? For now, it seems like it might want to go back to this gap up there. We don't know. We have the VWAP at 27 still. On the mini, there is a small gap at 10, so it might be dropping down to reprice it. Well, it's the FIB tool is only good for entries. That's what I use it for mainly. Let's see if this one is gonna go down. Let's see if J-Ho is gonna be right. What was the level? 85. I'm curious. I'm really curious, you know. I really am. But hey, I hope it turns out good. If it goes down, I can even see this go all the way down to the 40. Who knows? Well, let me zoom out the 1 minute. It's like we're congested into this zone, and no clean direction, obviously. Oh yeah, so it's just chopping out. Let's see. Again, I have no entry. I'm flat. I'm waiting for this to decide where it wants to go. I do like the 92 level too, but 85, maybe. Maybe. Who knows? You're down 2K? What? Oh, look at that. Going higher. Going higher. It's chopping up everyone. Well, we had a nice move, but you know, this is untradeable currently in this kind of shape and form. And it can even go back to, can it go back to the 43s? I don't know. I guess we'll see. 42, maybe. 42, 43, 45s. Then it has to go up until at least 50s, to the 50s if it wants to go higher. But that would be a little bit almost like crazy. Pump it up. Jonathan, hey. Asia high next? I don't know. I know we have a pre-London kill zone high at 53. I don't know if it wants to go there. But Friday, we have a Sunday high at 60. Nobody knows. No displacement, no clear entry. Not on my end, that's for sure. So, as far as I'm watching these 1 minute candles and even the 30-second chart on my other screen, it's just chopping around, so it can still go down there and take out the 85s. I have no entry. Inside this range. That trade earlier was nice. Was a nice one. I like that. That was a cool one, but right now I don't know. Relative equal lows at 92. Maybe. Looking bearish, still NQ made higher. ES didn't. Just chopping. Yeah. I'm not doing anything with this until I don't see a clean entry. Even only you got Yeah, so for now, it seems like it might want to try to go back down. Not so sure though, but no idea. I'm just trying out if I still have a connection problem, but so far I can connect. So I just entered the trade and I closed it. Connection is still okay on my end. Oh, pump it up. Won't you pump it up? Let me update my screen as well. We're stuck here, guys. No entry. No entry. So let's wait. Let's keep on waiting. Look at this. Even the 1 minute looks crazy. The XY 5 minute looks filled for push up. Oh, thank you. We have almost 100 viewers. Thank you guys for watching, and please push the like button and subscribe. Also, if you would like to support the stream, use any of my discount codes for these prop firms if you'd like to trade with these ones. We have some good sales going on today and tomorrow. There's a 90% at Apex and BULENOX, and MyFundedFutures is definitely giving an awesome discount for the expert accounts. 20% off, including the activation fee and everything. Go check it out as well. Also, we're going to have a giveaway tomorrow. So fill out the form in the pin message. Don't forget it. No entry, guys. I wish there would be one, but there's just nothing. This was a nice trade we took earlier. I like that. That was a great one. But other than that, other than that, there's nothing. Just chopping around Chop City. The silver bullet hour is over technically, but we're still in the kill zone. Top of hour, yeah. Move is coming. Let's see. Full porting long. 10 mini. J-Ho has the balls. J-Ho has the balls. I don't see anything here. Although, if I zoom out the 1 minute, there were plenty of opportunities. For example, here to go long. Also here could be a good long from here to the VWAP. Back up again. Maybe to break 27. So I'm gonna push VWAP. Maybe it's very close, and we have a significant high. We also have fair value gap here. Here. And now it's just going down a little bit. Tapped into this area. So last line of defense would be this gap here. Okay. All right then. J-Ho was tricking the market. Now we're going back to his level. We're going back to his level. Actually, this one can go down to 92, so let's see. Let's see if it does. Gotta be careful. You know, if it breaks down to the 90, which level is that? 92.50. I can go there. Oh, who knows? This one rejected price. But first, again, we have to go through the 92s if we want to see that. This meaningless life. Come on. Trade now. I'm not trading. I'm not trading. I'm just gonna wait for this on the sidelines to see what it does. Well, they pulled the plug. What can we do? Need to break the 20-point range. Idiot box. Yeah. Yeah, I guess we have to pull through on this one. Somewhere in some direction. I just want to see which direction. Is it going to push it once more to the 92s, or I don't know what the heck it wants to do. Because if it does, it has to break through on the 19K level like butter. It can go down, but look at that. Maybe the 92 is coming. I have nothing on, but maybe it's coming. It has a hard time breaking through the 19K, that's for sure. We're not going to promote TOPSTEP. You don't want new people to still know the best ones. TOPSTEP is the best one. One of the best ones. Activation fee is $149. Activation fee is $149. So yeah, and also TOPSTEP is going to disable their affiliate program, but I'm still going to tell that I'm trading with them. If that's what you're referring to, Zabak. 985. I see. If it breaks through the 19K, then it's not even 85. It can go way lower. For all account sizes, yes. Yes. I have PO accounts with Apex, and I have some Express funded futures accounts thinking of getting, yeah. TOPSTEP is still one of the best, if the best. Top 3 actually. My favorite is MyFundedFutures. TOPSTEP is definitely good. The one thing is that it has a daily loss limit, so you have to be aware of that. Otherwise, it's still awesome. And girls in biker shorts are so fly to me. Sikochi, this Nvidia is not moving. No trade. So yeah, TOPSTEP is still having that. Yeah, I guess you guys already have accounts. If you're having registering a brand new account, you still can get a 20% discount. Just saying. And if you would like to support before you purchase TOPSTEP accounts, you can use my link. Activation fee at BULENOX is 140 on the 50K account. That one I know. But the 250K is not worth it because it's so expensive. Let me check it. BULENOX activation fee. BULENOX activation fee. Yeah, sorry. The 50K is 148. I'm sorry. 50K is 148, 25K 143, the 100K is 248. So these are the activation prices. Google is your friend in this case. Yeah, TOPSTEP is disabling affiliate program because they making just as much sales or more through TOPSTEP TV. They don't need affiliates anymore. Basically, that's the short version. At least that's the rumor. TOPSTEP TV makes them enough sales. They don't need to pay small fish like me or other people. 5 minute huge wick on 5 minute, yeah. This was a dirty move down there. Wicked below the 19K, and now it's just going back. What the hell? If you look at the 5 minute, that's why I mean, it's absolutely it's a box. Nothing is happening. Nothing. You guys were pawns. Problems don't care about no one. Oh my god, Fert, you're right. I never realized this. This is so true. It never got to my mind, actually. But you are right, absolutely. Move down. Nvidia is moving down. Nvidia. Why is it not going to Nvidia? All right, my chart is frozen. It's not opening Nvidia for some reason. Maybe here. Okay. What the hell? All right, look at this on the 1 minute. It's not going for the 1 minute. All right, let's give it some time. Still ranging, chopping in this range. Can someone tell my girl to stop farming? Trying to trade here. All right. You're a genius. First, you are a genius. I thought they really cared about me. Oh, yeah. The goal is to beat the proper rules. Yeah. Yeah. I really thought that these prop firms care about me. I'm gonna be so sad. Yes, should break and hold 53.50. Okay, look at Nvidia. Wow. Okay. What a spike. Both directions. Interesting move. Longs are effed. It's just chopping. DXY up. The problem is, you know, also DXY. So I was checking DXY quite a few times, and I don't know. Like, I don't know. DXY sometimes is so confusing. Finally, maybe we will see the drop. No action to New York. Yeah, could be happening. Like nothing at all. Still have some time from the London kill zone, but yeah. Look at this chop. I was very happy with this 5 minute entry here. That was nice, but this one looks terrible. It's absolutely terrible. Maybe now it looks a little bit heavy again. The more it starts to range on the 1 minute, I feel like finally we can have that break, that 92 break. But first, again, we have to go through the 19K. And McDonald's food doesn't even mold, even after 20 years, and you're gonna still eat it. Might as well just pay 165 for an express funded account with exactly. So not 165. If you use the discount, you can get it for 132, I think. With the code, the activation fee is built in. No consistency rule, no withdrawal cap, no daily loss limit. And you can add to your losing trades if DCAing is not your sole strategy. If DCAing is your sole strategy, then it's not allowed. But if you have a consistent strategy, then you're allowed to add more than once to your losing trades. And no scaling rule on the contracts. Pretty much every freedom you want. Bi-weekly payouts. So Quantower is not working for Rithmic right now. Yeah, they definitely have issues. Is your code still? Yeah. Just if you use Tom Sabo for the expert, it gives you the 20%. Actually, yeah, 20%. Also 30% discount for the resets. The code is also working for 30% reset discount and 20% for new purchases. Just saying. So, man, we're chopping. We are chopping. So yeah, my code works just as fine. It's always updated to the best discount. That's what they said. All right, look at this. Maybe this will be it. Do I have another account to trade with? I think I can go with this. Going for a volume around 19K? Could be. Could be. Also, I'm curious if it wants to go. Hold on. Apex. All right. Might still be going, but who knows? Is it gonna break through the 2000 or not? How much did you say is to reset the funded account? The funded account if they already bought one, because mine is only saying to 110. The funded account, you can't reset the funded account. The evaluation account, you can reset it. So there's a 30% discount on the reset if you use the code. 30% discount from the expert account price, because the reset is usually the same price as the expert account. Yeah, for MyFundedFutures. Too much guessing here. Yeah, it's just sideways action. They just froze the TOPSTEP X platform. Oh, damn. Well, at least they can do whatever they want. I mean, they can reset it to you if there's an issue with the trades. I would think it would be one bullish. Yeah, it could be. I don't know if we go short at 19k. I'm just still looking at the 92.50 level because there's equal lows down there. Otherwise, I have no direction. I have no entry. What firm resets? The only firm that resets the funded account for now that I know is Take Profit Trader, but it's like super expensive. It's like $400, $500, or $600, and you can only reset 3 times maximum. But that's a much bigger amount. You're long at 05. Nice. Nice. So yeah, we're pretty much in a chop. My level will be seen. Please keep it there. I'm gonna keep it there. I'm definitely gonna keep it there. Whatever happens, you know, we're gonna have your level right down there. So I'm gonna keep it there. Let me see what is happening here. We don't really need too much. As long as we're in this range, all it needs is just a quick breakdown. Still accumulating, so I'm watching the 5-minute too. Barcode chart, nothing really happening. Actually, this low here could be acting as resistance, maybe the 015 level, but we don't know. Pretty much chopped up. Maybe it wants to retest the VWAP. As we said, too much guessing. Stock splits increase the number of shares and make them more affordable for investors. They don't fundamentally change the value of the company. Good point there. I'm about to buy another expert account. Nice. Thank you, J-Ho. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. You could not reach the swap in a while. Maybe it's time. Could be. It also makes the float 10 times bigger, so less volatile. Oh, takes a lot more volume with a bigger float. Could be the case. Anyway, I'm just curious of what is going to happen with this. I mean, we cannot stay forever in this range, so we might see a movement. Maybe after the kill zone, we might see that. So we might have to wait. Sit back, relax, watch this go sideways, and just keep on guessing. Are we gonna break through or not? It's doing it since like more than an hour. I mean, yeah, like almost 90 minutes. I don't know how far they can keep this up or how long. Barcoding, yeah, I'm checking it on the left. Dumpage could be. But if they dump it, they need to go through like 19k, like super fast with a strong down close candle, and even the 92 has to be broken with a very strong displacement. So barcode is my favorite pattern. The full port. Well, all we can know is they might be accumulating positions here, but nothing else. One minute is lower highs, equal lows. Yeah, equal lows, we do see the equal lows at 92.50. So right there is equal lows. Need the lower low or I'm out. Just waiting, guys. Problem is, this one can be going on all the way until 7 or 8 a.m. That's the problem with this trade. We just don't know. No entry, no positions, and it's not moving. Nothing is happening. It's official. Last few 1 minute candles created higher lows, so we may break one way soon. Yeah, could be. Could be. So until we're waiting the commercial, check out today and tomorrow, last day to get the 90% off BULENOX and Apex. And MyFundedFutures, 20% off from expert accounts. If you use my code, you can get 20% off. Expert account has no activation fee, it's included in the price, no consistency rule, no withdrawal cap, no daily loss limit. You know, you can add to your losing trades if DCAing is not your sole strategy. So pretty much everything you want, bi-weekly payouts, everything you need is there. Also, if you would like to help out the stream, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm here every day, trading London and New York as well. So that really helps out the stream. Overtrade in this ranging session, down 800. Ow, TJ, come on. Come on, man. Come on, TJ. You're better than that. Come on. Look at what we're doing. We're just waiting. As we check the chart on the 5-minute too, you can see that it's barcode chart. I don't trade on the 1 minute at this hour because it's just absolutely, I mean, it's riskier, but man, how long have you been trading in the trading game for? Well, since I'm taking it more seriously, and that's a quote unquote seriously, it's since early 2022, and the time when I was just fooling around because I thought that I know the markets and I'm like Gordon Gekko and I can be a billionaire in 1 month. So I started most likely at the end of 2017, early 2018, and by the pandemic I lost everything on my personal accounts because I was not trading with prop firms back then. So that's the short story. So since I'm taking it more seriously, it's 2022, reached payouts in 2023 from prop firms, and this year I'm struggling again a little bit. Just grow, man. And by down with it down. What? Run and be, you mean run? Run and be done with it. Yeah. Jess, hi Tom. How can I copy trades on TOPSTEP and Apex? Well, on TOPSTEP, TOPSTEP X, there is a function built in on TOPSTEP X. which I can't show you right now because I'm not using TOPSTEP X. I'm using Quant Tower. So with Apex, I'm using Quant Tower with Rithmic, although we do have a lot of issues with Rithmic right now, but I am using Quant Tower's built-in copy trader, and I can copy trade between multiple prop firms. I'm also copy trading to TOPSTEP as well. So right now I'm connected with TOPSTEP too. I'm connected with Apex and BULENOX. Trading is gambling like a casino, I agree. The only similarity, the only thing in trading is that there are certain rules and risk management rules that you can apply, which eventually, if you do it right, can help you to make profits. But trading is definitely gambling. It is. That's why it will always be like very similar to poker. It will always be like a mental game. It's all just psychology, you know. You have to be on top of your emotions. Don't do stupid stuff, because the biggest obstacle is yourself, right? You're the one who's causing the trouble, not the market, not sometimes Rithmic, yes, but not the market. It's you usually. Trading is a skill. So true. Professional gambling. So for poker players, they say they are professional gamblers, which may be a little bit too harsh, but professional gambler mean that they definitely have a skill to overrule their emotions, or their decision-making process is pretty clean, I'm guessing. Proven strategy as, yeah. Trading is just like any other self-taught industry. Once you master it, it's life. Yeah. In the casino, you can manage the risk as in trading. Depends on which game you play, because, for example, the roulette. So they said that in roulette you can't win. There is no mathematical edge to the player, so you're doomed to lose money on roulette. On blackjack, you have an edge if they don't use a shuffle machine and they use the same deck of cards, and you can count the cards, then you can increase your edge by counting cards. That's one thing. Also in poker, there's also, you can increase your chance to have your edge playing out for you. But again, it's a lot of practice. Every entrepreneur takes risk. Yeah, it's a thin line, yeah, argument, yeah, understand, yeah, that's true. If you're an entrepreneur, that's true. By any business, it doesn't matter what kind of business you do. If you're an entrepreneur, you're taking risk, that's for sure. And I know some of you guys don't like affiliate people on YouTube, but I'm doing this streaming and the channel full time because of the help of the affiliate commissions, and by that I'm taking also a risk as a business, because without it I could not be afford to be here, because this is the only thing I do. Yes, I was working until this April a full-time job on the sidelines, another business, but since this April I'm doing only this full-time, and I'm taking a risk with that, because any day prop firms can go away. Any day they can take away affiliate commissions, which they did. Any day the industry can change. That's a risk. So my goal is the same, to make more payouts from this, to reach more payouts from trading. I know you have PA accounts. Yo, Jeff. I know you do. I know you're a pro in the background lurking. Tom, I have now 2 accounts in TraderWeight, one with Apex and one with TopSTEP. Can you guide me? How can I copy trade? You can't. Jess, unfortunately, because TraderWeight does not let you to have multiple connections at the same time. So you can't. With multiple prop firms in TraderWeight, you cannot. There's no solution to that, unfortunately. I wish I could tell you. I wish, but there is nothing. Short time. Just checking reaction. You passed the test. Right. Look how tight the range is getting. Yeah, it's getting very tight. So I'm wondering what's gonna happen. It's like it's actually stopped working. So Nasdaq is turned off officially. So yes, the problem is I like TraderWeight, but you cannot have multiple connections at the same time. There's no bridge or software that helps you out as well, so that's a bummer. Maybe there is, I haven't found anything yet. I searched for it, but nothing. Nothing so far. No issue, but can I trade simultaneously right there as I think if you open 2 TS traders, you can open them next to each other maybe. I didn't try it. Or, you know, they have a web-based platform too, so you can log in on one instance on your browser and you can open the TS trader on the other one. So maybe just open 2 tabs and push the button twice, for example. Even Quantower lets you trade with Quantower has the ability to have multiple connections. So Quantower, it's possible, yes, but you need Rithmic connection. Livingston, hey there. Are you crazy? Ridiculous amount of data coming on Wednesday. Oh really? Today all the markets are garbage. Yeah, but I'm leaving the Nasdaq as I replace it with DAX. Yeah, you can trade DAX with Apex, by the way. You just have to subscribe to all markets data, which is $30 per month. DAX is more tradable and there is not much manipulation. Yeah, so I have the DAX here. It's I'm not subscribed to DAX on TradingView, but it's this one. And you know, so far you can have some good trades as well here, but this morning DAX was also garbage on the 5-minute. Look at that. DAX was a little bit of a garbage this morning, although we had a nice retracement here, almost the same trade as on Nasdaq, but yeah. And look at the 5-minute NQ. Absolute trash. Absolute trash this morning, guys. If you can, please do not trade this because it's a garbage. Full garbage. It's the German index. It's the German index. Of course you know that, Black Beauty Machine. Come on. You're a pro. Black Beauty Machine is... You're acting like you don't know. Come on. Black Beauty Machine is trolling. Of course. How did I not realize that in the first place? My Rithmic not connecting. Facts. Update Quantower. If you're using Quantower, update Quantower, and also you might need to do a .NET, a Microsoft .NET framework update, which Quantower is going to point you at. So you need to refresh, update Quantower, and then you should be able to connect. Using Ninja, tough one. Then still update if you can, and check out for the latest .NET framework. I'm not sure if that's gonna help, but that's what they said, and it worked for me. Otherwise, now if you're using Ninja, I suggest you wait, because they said they are doing some updating in the background still. This market is absolute dog shit. This market today is cat shit piled into dog shit, or vice versa. In Rithmic, no opinion to trade DAX. You can purchase the all market data, I think. NinjaTrader does. All right. Matthew Ellis, hey there. Okay, good to know. Good to know. But we had a nice trade this morning. That was cool. Otherwise, I think it's pretty much done for the London session. What can I say? Nothing is moving. Look at this 5-minute chart. Do you think it's tradable? No, it's not. It's absolutely not tradable. It's garbage. Made 260. Nice. Congratulations. Congratulations. Trying to figure out if this one wants to break lower or not, but honestly, it's just so hard to predict what's gonna happen here. Anyway, it feels like we break lower, but the thing is, it's just a feeling. But it looks good. I told you guys I do like the 92.50 level, but yeah. You can connect trade away to NinjaTrader. You can. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Okay, guys, this is just we made some good profits. I'm super happy about that, and I'm gonna come back for the New York session, guys. This is just untradeable. Absolutely. So looking for more volume later on. Thank you so much for watching. Please come back to the New York session. Sign up the giveaway form. Tomorrow there will be a giveaway. I will be back in the New York session again. So thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. Like the stream, subscribe, don't miss out anything. And if you would like to support the channel, use my links and codes for some purchases, if you would like to get some evaluation accounts. Thank you guys for watching again. Have a great night, morning, evening. See you guys soon. All right. Cheers, everybody.